When Bridewell was started in sort of 2013, it was very much sort of seen that there was only a few sort of cybersecurity companies that really focused on end-to-end cyber services.
Obviously, at the minute, cybercrime is the number one threat to all organisations globally.
We offer end-to-end cybersecurity services, which looks at consulting, cloud security, auditing, governance, risk compliance, as well as managed services such as security operations and incident response.
10 years ago, that wasn't the case. There was install an antivirus, have a pen test once a year. That was enough. Probably wasn't, but it was seen as being enough. Whereas these days, the level of skill and depth of skill you need to properly secure the enterprise has increased. Your training, your skills of your workforce needs to increase.
As an organisation, from the very early days, when we're always looking at where did Bridewell want to be and how do we want to be different to other organisations? Right from sort of year one, we always had a sort of dedicated training budget for every individual within the organisation, whatever role they did. And therefore, we built a great relationship with SANS that could provide lots of different sort of technical certifications for our team.
It was probably right at the beginning of my Bridewell journey where I did probably the first SANS course. I think that was probably the first time where I thought, this is more what I think I need to get to where I need to get to.
Within the organisation, people really wanted to do more SANS courses, so people were knocking on our doors saying, can we do more? So it's then, how do we build a relationship with SANS to be able to put more people through?
So we have some individuals that really want to continue to learn and better themselves, and we're fully supportive of that, and SANS gives us that capability.
People are very sort of proud within the business of the certifications that they've got through sort of SANS and the GIAT certifications.
It's not like sort of Pokemon, we have to have them all. I think, there's a tangible, visible benefit to doing these things. We do promote and encourage people to be high achievers in this organisation. I think SANS facilitates some of that.
As we continue to see things emerge, but there are things that are coming down the line that we need to be considering probably in the near term, like quantum computing. That'll probably be a little bit harder in order to be able to build training around, but we know that SANS will always be looking at some of those future-facing elements.
We work with SANS already around things like OT security and training within that space.
So SANS has training capabilities that cover GRC auditing, but also looking at architectural elements, cloud engineering, incident response, threat intelligence, but also looking at newer capabilities. How do we integrate AI and machine learning into the work that we do? So partnering with someone such as SANS that allows us to align our requirements and broad requirements with a single partner is really valuable.
One of the areas that we did introduce a couple of years ago, which we've worked with SANS on, has been our Bridewell Academy.
So working with SANS and looking at the foundational capabilities in SANS, integrating that into our academy, we're able to bring ex-servicemen in, school leavers, university leavers, moms coming back to work, or people transferring from teaching NHS into cybersecurity and being able to use those foundational elements to be able to take them on a journey of 12 to 18 months, whereby actually by the end of that period of time, we're pushing them back into SANS for further and more deeply technical capable courses.
So it gives them that basic grounding and understanding before deciding which areas to sort of focus on and where they want to take their development and training.
A lot of it is about the person as well. With anything, I think you can take as much or as little as you want from anywhere, right? But I think a capable person looking to become a capable, specialised person, I would choose SANS.
We've built a relationship with SANS over a number of years. They understand the challenges that we have as a business and where we want to sort of develop our teams. And it's created an ecosystem for us as well. Some of our team will help support with the training and development of courses and delivery of courses as well. No, it's great to have a training provider that understands our business and what we're trying to do as well.